Hey guys, welcome back. So this is going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you some dies that I received from KSCRAFTS. And this is the planner journal die. It's a nice size die. It comes with the word travel, planner, and notebook. So it comes with a few pieces. And I also use these butterflies. And I'll put the links in the description bar anyway, so you can take a peek at the store. And at first, I started to do a notebook, but then I stopped. I didn't finish it. But just wanted you to see real quick. This is what it looks like. And it's a nice size. It's 8.5 by 5. So it's a really nice size. I'm gonna put like trim, embellishments. I'm not done. But I wanted to show you, you don't only have to use it as a notebook. I used mine as a card. So what I did was, hold on, let me just show you real quick. I took the die itself. Sorry for all the crinkling. So I took the die itself. I took a piece of cardstock and I folded it in half. And what I like to do is, let's say this is the cardstock, fold it in half. Obviously use the right size. And you put it on your machine like this. So this is, the open is this way. So you put it right there. So you're cutting this piece out. So when you put it through your machine, all you get is the shape of the die itself right there. You see? And you still get like the stitching where I've added another piece in the inside. And what I did was I added a whole bunch of new bow dots all over the card in pink and like a soft baby blue. And then this is the butterfly. I added a trim. And these are toppers from Anna Griffin. Same thing with the flowers. And I think it came out really cute, very delicate. I love the shape of it. So just a little idea. You don't only have to use it as a notebook journal. You can use that shape itself just to make it a card. All right, I hope you guys like it. Like I said, I'll put the links in the description bar for the journal and the butterfly die. And just a quick video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.